Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document into a PDF. This is going to be very helpful if you have an invoice or a resume that you want to submit to someone and you want to look a lot more professional. The first thing you want to do is pull up your Microsoft Office Word document wherever it's located. It might be in a folder. For this tutorial, I have placed a sample document on my desktop. We're going to open that up. Double click on your document. Okay, now this is just an example or a sample resume that we're going to convert to a PDF. In this first method, we want to go up to the top left where it says File and click on that. And then we want to scroll down to where it says Print in the blue menu on the left. Click that. Okay, and then you want to look for the printer. This will usually be hooked up to your printer, but if it's not, it might have another selection pre-selected. Now, if you hit the drop down, then you'll also have other options of where you want to print to. In this case, we want to print to Microsoft Print to PDF. Left click it, and then simply hit the print button. Okay, and choose a location where you want to save the print output to. In this case, desktop is pre-selected, and that's fine for me. I'll give it a file name. Name it sample1 and then save. Okay, and now minimize the document. We'll go back to our desktop and we can see we have sample1 and this is a PDF. We can open it to review it. It has opened up in Adobe Acrobat and we can see the whole thing is here. It looks correct. Okay, let's close that out. Let's go back to our example resume document. Now I'm going to show you the second method for saving your Word document to a PDF. In the same fashion, we're going to go up to the top left and click on the File button. Instead of Print, we're going to do Save As. Left click on Save As, and then we're going to save to the desktop or whatever location is best for you. For me, I'm going to choose desktop, and I'm going to call this example 2. So that's the file name, and then right underneath it there's a save as type. This is document types. This is a drop down. Once we click it, there are other types of document formats available, and one of them is a PDF. So click on PDF and then click save. Okay, and my PDF reader has automatically opened up the document, but we're going to close that. And we're going to close our Word document. Now on my desktop where I saved those PDFs, you can see that I have sample 1 and example 2. So this is two different ways that you can get a PDF from a Word document. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.